Well, it's back together at last. The Ferguson TEF-20 diesel tractor, little grey Fergie. It's been a real pain to get it working. I've had a lot of trouble with the injection timing. I managed to time the engine up 360 degrees out of phase so that it wouldn't run, of course. One or two other little problems, but basically it's now working, I believe. I had it running about half an hour ago, so we'll just turn on the fuel, give it another go, see if it'll respond again. I had to take the radiator off again and the bonnet to get access to the timing. We've got a engine heat control here for the key gas, but I don't need to use that now. There's the key gas pump. Hopefully, with it being run in the last half an hour, it should fire up. It's a wonder it started. It looks as though I had it on stop, but obviously not far enough back, so that's good. Shut it all off again and wrap it up for the day.